Irashamase. Welcome. Welcome back to Nappy Cat. We're so glad that you can join us today. Oh, here's somebody comes starts to play. In today's video, we're going to talk about an amazing kitty whose name is Owen. Yes, Owen is a lovely ginger and white kitty. He literally arrived at the Bromborough station in Weerall, England as a stray. He was right around 3 years old at the time. Oh, so cute. Look at this. He was so loved. He was so well taken care of there, even though he had been a stray, that he got to live to be 17 years old. It's wonderful. He was considered a beloved member of the rail station for 14 years, bringing smiles to everyone. He was loved by staff and by train patrons alike. They fed him every day on every shift. Yes, they didn't even have to specifically have someone hired to look out for him because everybody did it together. And patrons were known for donating towards his feeding and towards his vet bills. There was even a little tin that was in the booking office that was heavily filled with the coins and donations for his well-being. I think that's awesome. He used to love to stay outside in the cat kennel that the stations had built for him. And he often came into the station itself for food and for friendly conversation and greetings. He loved visiting with everyone and grew close to certain people, very close over the years, who would come in and see him every day. I think it's awesome how much we have learned to take care of kitties and to make sure that they're doing well. I applaud the rail stations who take kitties in and who treat them as members of their own family. Strays need homes and they need forever places. And railway stations are pretty cool, yes. That's a nice spot. Well, thank you all so very much for watching our video today. And I will be making an affiliate link that you can see in the description below for in case any of you want to buy his cute kitty tower. He uses this tower all the time. Yes. And I use it for my sets, and I thought some of you might like it. Now, if you do buy it, we'll be getting a little bit of money from it for Neffy, and you'll be helping to support him. And I thank you all so very much for that. Oh, look at the little paws holding the toy. And somebody's having such cute little wings. Such cute little wings. Thank you all. If you like the contents of our videos, don't forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button and you can paw the notification bell. Paw all when you paw the notification bell and you'll be notified so that you can see all of Neffy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much. And we look forward to seeing you with all of these cute little wings. Oh, such cute little